I am sitting in a 2013 Toyota Tundra. We're going to program an additional key and an additional remote. We have the original key and the ignition turned on, as you can see. So let's get started. We're going to do the remote first. Diagnostics, North America, Toyota, down to Tundra. '13. We're going to go remote control 1, and then we're just going to add or program a remote. Okay, program remote. Okay, we'll lock and lock down. Press the lock button and it beeped. That is programmed. Okay, next, back out. 2013, we're going to go into Mobilizer 2. This is a G key. Ignition is on. Program keys, yes. Okay. Take the original key out. Same key to on. Enter. Okay, take this key out. Next key, insert only. Hit OK. Now we'll have a 45-second wait. In this instance, on the spare key, we are going to be using a valet chip. So I'm going to show you the difference in the security lights. And the security light is right there above the radio. See it blinking. Okay, the security light just went out on the dash. You see it is not blinking. Procedure is complete. Alright, from this point we're done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this key out. I'm going to insert it. Now watch the security light because this is a valet chip. Here we go. You can see it come on and go out. Now I'm going to take the master key, the master chip. I'm going to push it in. And you'll see what happens to the light. Here we go. It's out right away. As soon as we pull the key out, light comes on. Gonna put the valet key in one more time. Go solid and goes out. Programming is complete.